Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to recover password in Zerodha Kite account. For that, first of all, launch Zerodha Kite application on your device. Then on the home page, you will see two options. Among them, choose Login to Kite option. Now, tap on Forget User ID or Password option. Then you have to fill out this form. If you remember your user ID, then simply tap on the I remember my user ID button. Then you have to enter your user ID. Now on the next, enter your PAN number. Now choose where you want to receive your OTP number. You can either choose SMS or email. For now, I'm choosing email. Then enter your email address. If you have choose SMS, then enter your phone number. At last, you have to enter this CAPTCHA. Then tap on continue. Once you tap on the continue, a verification mail will be sent to your email address. Go through your mail and confirm it. Then a reset password option will be available there. Tap on it and enter the new password that you want to add. That was it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.